Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how your brain forms habits, and more importantly, how you can break the ones that don't serve you. Habits shape so much of what we do every day, but how much do we really understand about them? Let's find out. Habits are behaviors we do almost automatically, like brushing our teeth, checking our phones, or grabbing a snack when we're bored. These actions become routines we don't even have to think about consciously. But why? Well, your brain is wired to save energy. Instead of spending precious brain power on every little decision, it tries to turn repeated actions into habits. That way, your brain can focus on new or more important stuff. In 1998, a psychologist named Charles Duhigg popularized the idea of the habit loop. It's a simple cycle with three parts: a cue, which is the trigger that tells your brain to start the habit. For example, waking up, feeling stressed. Maybe it's the caffeine boost, a sense of relaxation, or just the satisfaction of checking something off your to-do list. Your brain learns this loop and reinforces it, making the habit stronger over time. Fun fact, did you know that about 40% of the actions you do each day are habits? That means almost half your day is on autopilot. The brain region responsible for habits is called the basal ganglia. This area helps store routines so you don't have to actively think about them. On the other hand, the part of your brain that handles decision-making and self-control, the prefrontal cortex, is actually less involved once a habit forms. That is why breaking bad habits can be so tough. Your prefrontal cortex has less control once the basal ganglia kicks in. Because habits are hardwired into your brain circuitry, trying to just stop a habit cold turkey often doesn't work. Your brain is craving that reward and has an automatic cue ready to trigger the routine. Instead of trying to eliminate a habit, experts suggest changing the routine but keeping the same cue and reward. Here's how. First, identify the cue. What triggers your habit? Is it stress? Boredom? Certain times of day? Then change the routine. Instead of your old behavior, pick a new action that delivers a similar reward. For example, if you habitually grab chips when stressed, try squeezing a stress ball or taking a quick walk. Finally, keep the reward. Your brain needs to feel satisfied to reinforce the new habit. This approach is called the golden rule of habit change. Another fun fact: studies show that it takes about 21 to 66 days to form a new habit, so patience and consistency are key. To make breaking habits easier, start small. Don't overhaul your whole life overnight. Focus on one habit at a time. Make it hard to do the bad habit by removing temptations. For example, keep junk food out of sight. Track your progress using a journal or an app to keep you accountable. Get support by telling friends or family about your goal. Social accountability works wonders. And be kind to yourself because slips happen. Instead of giving up, reflect on what triggered it and get back on track. Some habits are called keystone habits because they naturally lead to positive changes in other areas of your life. For example, regular exercise might lead to healthier eating and better sleep. If you focus on building these keystone habits, they can create a ripple effect of improvement. Habits are a powerful force in our lives. They shape our health, productivity, and even happiness. But here's the good news. With the right approach, you can change your habits and take control of your behavior. Remember the habit loop: cue, routine, reward. Change the routine, keep the cue and reward, and you're on your way to building better habits. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more psychology deep dives, and comment below with a habit you want to change or build. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.